So, experiential marketing isn't a one way street. It's not shouting about how great a product or a service is. It's inviting people in, making people part of the story. And when people feel like they're part of something, they don't just stay loyal, they also talk about that experience with their friends and their family. So, it's not about bombarding people with ads, it's about creating moments that matter. It's about quality over quantity, turning people into fans, fans into brand advocates. And that's the power of experiential marketing.